Obi a me more Bobby and na me first game against Blasters. Hey, Kele. Na me say what catch me say na Jofan na de be chin e be kono. Me say man na me yem hye me say eh lady me dey bia who be as for the Staradish WhatsApp Kakosi how are you? Dobru Jutro good morning, Dobro Dan good afternoon, Dobro Veche Kakosi omokasa na sometimes e be the to me come na na mo villages na I say omo black e wo TV so but physically omo black say onie to mo tumi so me skin mu na omo mia say eh say na tin I'm just yen na ba ko just color no pe moja twa me a be ba red so be ba red ntina me mo ti access ntina say me live good ho until that fortunate incident me say sometimes me kaya na me person me share tears because na nka ombe kume mbo ba ndua o they were not omugina hodin and omo hwe me na nkofo na attack me nti me say the way other group on e ba bebre no I have to run for my life honestly nti me ba ko do butu me na me say omo ba na me say no hey how there me tell na me ready me di me ko mu da me kick
sabia approach me na okay ready
kele
okay ready or sabia
ready me can ready jeme I thought that was my last day on this planet.
Your friend is Sike.
Oh, Sike, ya funi Sike. Sike, jankani Sike, ya temude no yubezi.
Sabre wetie friwe mu pie no obudue tiera no a na pomudintra kane no ne nananum no ahan nubra nuayini ebom ye friend say Dido sa Dido nim di na Dr. Saba abre wetie no na ano no mu enne watun din Sabash Kobites koko bi aba oni pedue mu esese wonya Sabash Kobites freyen 050 006 4000 open phone num Obama bofrano for any abofra onyin fije dumienu yeton Sabash Kobites chemical pharmacy herbal shops mu Sabash Kobites isi hopoti Sabash Kobites ebibidro die unya de ye no abre wansa no evi ehwe se dwadi nkrato yi mu agyatum se eye
exclusive interview on television Sike Brasso say of course so here said the transina na the twashem so in a positive way and bibi basa cry and I'm a guest Solomon Opoku, the famous Solomon Opoku obeka somewhere 2005 2006 7 8 thereafter minya specific ono ankasa wa obeka onya case e wo Serbia abrochi mema enye nyame a enkontiase no a professional footballer about Ash Gold, about King Solomon, about Diana Stars, and about Karela, and Yamani Muso as deputy TM cum junior coach. Now, you have a funny career mumo. Me Sike subscribe to television Sike na dani de nyanabu eni akoma. Boss me tamewa me ho se gramophone power. Me ba me iconic Solomon Opoku bedin komo stick and stay.
Prominence Institute of Management and Professional Studies, PRIMS, located in Takoradi, Western Region. We offer professional DBS, HND, and degree programs in accounting and finance, marketing, project management, health and safety, purchasing and supply, journalism, maritime, and many more. We are affiliated to Institute of Commercial Management, ICM UK. Our graduates are enrolled onto the National Service Scheme after completion. Are you SS Liver, WASI, O-Level, or mature students? You can enroll with us. Thank you.
Complete your admission form online. Simply log on to our website www.prims.education. We have a hostel for all our students from far. Apply online today and get admission into our professional DBS, HND, and degree programs. Call or WhatsApp us on 020-684-4214 or 0248-614-414. Prims, professionalism, our concern.
Okay, yaba back bi na mama transi na me solo ndin ko moni ye solo bi awoko
nyame adon bi awoko ye think quite bi awoko
eh man hwa say your busy schedules and wo time nyina wo de bo adwuma nyina we nya bre enemy ba be din ko nyame nhira
me say me da wase bebre say me nya opportunity no say nyame nhira so
un say one thing me pe wasem woni say ye share yenye ache zolo ache
way back Charlie easy way back way back cry
the first time me share journalism I say somewhere 2005 2006 so baby you know now Ash Gold as a top player was I me call Sam Jonah me boy
Sam Jonah is Jane Line yes
not Jane Line no ne opoku agema no Mubarak Wakasu no Fatah Dauda no and a Steven Afo
for Samuel Tikotiko mo Valentine mo Osegufo General Joseph Hendricks Captain Kofi Amuakon Tony Bafo I think all the guys are you can name them
Tony Bafo ben
Tony Bafo there's one Tony Bafo I don't say ball go face ball Ayas Cape Town yeah
okay enti na chere me nim no nye na che na enen komo no ye ba be dipa tem no but solo o share game ase ewen
ati ewo Akwetia say what the famous Frankfurt babies there was one team be about Akwetia na at the point crowd no the players two kwan kwa Abuchi pa when I started my career no from there and I move back
Accra no na just ye wo Akwetia
ye wo me ankasa ewo Eastern region me fi Mampon Ekuapem me Ekuapem ni bapa pio na ye wo me ntina is Eastern region so Akwetia ne odani we the region na me start basic school so tina inter school so ni we ni na de na so omunni me pa na those days kwa na me tumrika esan so ebobo I was a sprinter
Nti oko Akwetia do you know say all this one na me adwen say we enkran ni
most people think say me enkran ni
because me I thought say we teshi no ngwa
I had here just me bet na ha from after basic school no and I me ba na me bet you so anti me most people know say me enkran ni because of say kasa na masua na many most of enkran for guys and so they move into people think say me enkran ni but me enkran ni me Ekuapem ni pure me kai Ekuapem twi if you Mampon Ekuapem you people on so ofie pe
so from Akwetia to where
from Akwetia no and I me ba Accra and I me be start secondary school until mu na me start o Teshi Presec mu na team bi na e wo Teshi Nungwa sene I kind na when I me start no you from Royal Abilities na wo Coco Beach Nungwa Coco Beach was side there was one man my friend Mr. Boaten nti Monday Stars bi ya ne dombo temu wani Nungwa Stars na dukoya domo ewo Royal Nungwa Royal School Park nti ho na man no after Monday Stars no e no frame me se mimra me na me nimu no nti me bae no no so obehwe ye Monday ni bi but we hu say me wo potential na wo third division team bi nti obese me hu say me bo ana say me wo team mo de da na me say da bi me ni team no say ene sisi ami ko school nti se be ye de ene be hu me maame ube hu no na so opinion so say me ne mo me train dia why not because football na o me ni so me pe ade a talent na me de maame a ma start ya nti se me nya opportunity dia na ma bankran na me ko school ha dia why not metumi a combine any school ni nyina na enti from there no and a man of farm or start me ni team no start ya kakra ya ball me the league third
team be no
Royal Abilities no I was Teshi Nungwa Coco Beach was side and from there no and King Solomon that Saturn no first division young coach na no coaching or Royal Abilities your friend no Pele Zobu most of the guys are football be a Teshi Nungwa bia ni mo sisi or US your friend coach Norte or a former player on a first Ghanaian player or professional or Belgium coach Norte sisi or busy or US John and all young coach then all Royal Abilities no na King Solomon fo be fa no nti wo be fa ne call no and on recommend me ma won see team na no wo no or boy bi ho no ma fe ne Solomon na a winger a very good this e be ya o mo mehu abilities for now there na one farming King Solomon nti on one be kind and Royal Abilities for ne tiase and I will release him and me call King Solomon no that I know camp or the Sport Stadium and they dreams for a use ho no nti ye did mo ho no ma many one started training as a third division player I mean more division from coast to third division and I see many opportunities many first division ekoye training na beginning it wasn't easy nti what farm any cry na say coach need the only when who potential me mu the down no case memra then I say team pehini fu ni bi say oh we abofra then a coach ni say onim nya ho wo mi mu nti wɔn ma memre nti adidi mu ana chairman no yɛn chairman no so saa time no bezi of Belgium yɛ fɛ ne Solomon ne din na ɔde two team no nti ɔba
nakin Solomon na wo
price so kwawu ɛhɔ na yɛ start in wo move ba station no wa ha ya biem chairman no we si hotel wo station no wa mpona no ho o hotel ho no mu nti ɛhɔ na team no be camp nti ɛhɔ na me kɔ dwene wɔn nti yɛdidi mu ana chairman no fi German Belgium buy nti o baby answer on ya na your company ade nti oba no
na me ba ufi third division no akọ King Solomon no cash kakra ba
oh that time they say me nimu hwe me nim ne course mpo me tia ne say we say me King Solomon but me hu bi ne ko me coach no na because na me mani eje say baby am fi am ko nti that time is campo de na me nim ne course ho de but me ya ne say me King Solomon fo e training
but na we wie nungwa present
na me wie na me was school skill nti na me ko school ni na me ne won because na wan be busy wo nungwa ha nti me ko school na me ko training me ko school after school na me ko training ana me de be wie nti King Solomon no chairman no fi Belgium buy no oba bia na bi oba na new players aba camp no bisa say ye hina nti emu no be bisa say na boy me buy me hu na ye hina wa hwe me training so kakra nti oba arrange friendly match ewo Tema Sports Stadium ye ne Black Stars se me kaya satam na the late coach Afrani na coach ewo Black Star Don Bote was the captain of the day BT say Godfred ye ball TV3 obo kotoko nya that squad it is a local squad bi na we organize Black Star enti me wo na ye wo camp na chairman no phrase wa be renyi match enti no team ni mra satani e odewu the team ni mra no ye ne Black Star ba bo friendly match anopa e wo Tema Sports Stadium na ye ba won fa sa boy ni nka ho mra me ba gre me ne nyina nse ma nya de a na wa ye den we jame kwan na mitumi me say mitumi ntena ho ni din say aduan je obeso hu me look at it obi a me more bobi na me first game against Black Stars hey tikele na me say what catch me say na jofan na ade be chi e be ko no me say man na me yem hihye me say na edi me den ni enso me dey say yo me dwani team no near Batema. God been so good. After that game, I was adjudged the man of the match. Was sharing 4-1. So one goal. Me na me share.
Hey, don't boy tell no Godfrey TV3 no.
TV3 no.
Dankoma
no so squad no. Yes. Was sharing 4-1. Yeah, ball the Tema Stadium and Pabi.
A small boy.
Goal no so fantastic goal across a chest and a finish.
Keeper Ben and Ochimo.
That time I think this goalkeeper was imposed. Is it has keeper be nano so nano or
Chabala?
Yes, he was imposed. He was imposed that very day. Until now, easy. Until after game, no, Chama no, nice. My no favorite player. Until a honor, na me say yes. After the South football no. De wom ti afi chairman no treat
against Black Star Teshi boys ni be buy mommy
no na me parents no the but guys ni be hwehwe wo buy obehwe na ya no panso nti no few guys are na wo around they wo behwe nti from there no afi players na nka sampo na me ni won camp no afi me be surprise to them say hey sa boy you obetu oni mbo boss a new boy wa ba wo mbo
na obo 7
me a winger
and I Godfred your boanzo
three na me no was at the line so no who say we share that I was very young to me cover energy no wo ho ntino na nye easy nti after that game na chairman ni hu me real potential the reason why na coach ni catch won say won keep me now will be a potential for them one day ntino God been so good no we be register me after that game na me stand back to camp and I feel this say my be part of the team nti ho na me ball kakra be I think say one season you call middle league and after middle league you know you to qualify any that time the team qualify by a stay cool professional so season na middle league you know first division no we bozo na middle league and so ko bozo super middle league nti e ko bo Jendu Park e wona stay cool shine one asamoaja ni na share sa goal satana baby satana Liberty for the loan stay cool for playing time ono be share they want qualify by one goal e wo Jendu Park takrade and omo de share nti etumi an qualify nti e buy ni mu
nti wait say grab say do na ni masa moja na qualify stay
cool at the bar Ghana Premier League for the first time
baby
he's a legend and a role model I wish say you be a man respect because why you be a Ghana as I say yeah this our respect in the man. Yes.
Okay, and you from King Solomon went to be unqualified. What next?
Yeah, to be unqualified. After that, there was one man. Me area station wa na meti St. Francis. Hona na meti. Until there was one man be me kaidi na Mr. Ofe. Ena also area honoma. There's one man guy be ni mo near fe no Smart Ajare Daddy. Waka baby. Na me fane kransie ye. He's one guy, one top guy, and also Harrison for money. Theophilus Akpom nyina ono bring him up from Divine Gift. Nti na John Boy no nyina the pass glass na wako nyina was ne ma or training oma na nyame kan ne kransie ye. Nti no na ye remo no so organize special bia na man no ni fie nim na ye bossa Sunday special nti de bia sa obegida wo hwe ti na me say football de unnim be bia wo lack be pio nti me bobo on be bia me find me hu bia ye Mondays aware be bia I put in my best and I me ball leg because I don't know who is standing somewhere watching me nti ye ho no one day me ho na man no small amofra so o me frɛ me mra me kwa no so aye obegida hwe ye mbo na ye bɔ na me ya de pa na onim na adam for ne Go Face chief executive the then Captain Andy Sam.
Captain Andy
Sam, you nada for panning inti team ben aye bono bisa me anti obepese obemeya ko trials ewo Go Face. Inti no on ye nti na me sense o mi working Solomon. You know so okay, any problem. Inti no or the one guy be kan sisi ono so your friend Zakaria ono so ball 11 wise or ball Mighty Jet Zakaria Isaka so obekai na lefty bi. This is Sweden. On is just about Giffield or Sweden. Into many no man no connecting and call or bossy for Justify. Into me Go Face me call for Justify. Just that time na bofra kiti rising up. Na me new opportunity me call Go Face Justify. Senior that me do a bossy no. I say me do London. Big players are Matthew Wundin. Mr. T-Bono. Now I'm going to rock shoulders with them.
Why am I know?
The likes of Princeton. Owusu and San.
Princeton town now.
My godfather, London, Michelle Nebusi Afunyina is my godfather. Now
Princeton so you be on fa channel in the agro. They be your friend is
oh really? And your boss, I salute you. My greetings to the family. Entino Mishia, Princeton Owusu and San, Abubakar Kankani of Chima Blaster, Kufia Moakon satellite, Issa Rahman. Satellite and also ball Idinis Shabi Yakubu and so we got one fi academy no anyway promoter but we got too many on boy Nasalami me untimi ho na later Osegu for general Ufusomo Atiko sa squad na share kotoko for one be we see the Bafine I was part of that game the share one pa for one we see the Bafine share one boys na me ho
I good for Kotokowana Okati.
I was there. I was part of the team. That me were bench. I for someone a boss. Now he was the one playing, but I was on the bench that very day. I share one for one. And you know, me share big players. And my mission Ali be Fatao down. Only the minute they sign the same day I me signing. Honestly, almost signing if you're called United. Adem Mohammed. Many.
Into Okoena. Opoko Ajiman Mubarak wa classroom academy
omo de no ye omo fra wa academy sa one squad no na Go Face we be say every weekend be a Friday be a ye ne academy no e bo match na enye easy wo share de be a senior team no na Satan wo kito Opoko Ajiman David Telfa Alhaji Sani Immanuel Ajete sisi o Interlies Okobo America is your or back to Interlies. Any say someone squad ne na wo kita team pa
anu
enam academy fun watch ya hey o for stadium
what time akọ Ashgo na Duncan e wo
me wo ho na Duncan by me call no coach Otiakentin na sign me call Justify no coach Otiakentin Satana coach Ivan Sadote na ya academy coach ono kita academy no na coach Otiakentin na head coach e wo ho nti ona opeke me e wo Go Face tina coach Otiakentin na head coach
de bi na Boasen so pa so de na Boase do na Santiago Night Club
Kele.
Ache, we do great. A guy can cry. Who's that? Ache, 2005 thereafter, no, tuja when you're there. Enti, quick one. Everyone saying a breakthrough nearby Okupi Serbia.
Okay, after Go-Face, you know, that was 2007. Miss signed 2004, more 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008. And I'm if you know, Duncan, and a buy the time on many ball 1 season, and I made the few. And no cry no, and yes, performance wise, and I say BB, indisciplinary issues, been some assorting, Yaman Caribbean,
and they anka onye,
and they are coming here.
Then is he.
Kill it.
Say, Chairman, oh, come in 3 months, and you are a
oh, yeah, me can't even Carla cry. They be having the 2 guys, never say, not me, not Go-Face, come to me on watcha, but do maybe now say some bad immoral lifestyle, no, say who pay, then Nigeria, or was it deal, send your own mono, or was that cow? You always say golden view, and you name lodge, and you name fear. Places here, or was it dead? Saying, Satana good in the Koso Galamse, no, you know, like never heard dead. You know, it was too much. Or more advice, say me, now me as a young guy, now many senior guys, now Rocco out near the other. But now me say I was young, you know, there was time for me. But now me realize, you know, now just say, yeah, you film because you're tenacity, Mr. Kujo Fiano, Satano, the special assistant to Mr. Captain Andy Sam. Eventually, I'm not very replaced, you know, as CEO of Fiano. And you know, I'm a friend me as a crowd boy, saying I walk and I'm a chemical tashing. Solo was small sunny, or ball lechwa. She nibi kumeye, choye, unupai kumeye team nuka me here. Language, you know, me de fra.
You know, say, we are young guy, who nimba to boss in pennyphobia, who are on your monama, a better style.
Yes, by mentie, I'm a friend to me for boy, me coco back, you know. Third one, no. Na I say letter ye de yimi efiti minimum enti no me de sua de o hono mo bebre enti me feel Go-Face no life no am easy because Go-Face na that time no new opportunity bo Go-Face they be am catch you say na obo professional
so biane wo was
flat estate young boy
those days they say play crowd provision ya but now ba obi
living in estate some Jonah estate oba tina life was good salary yentua kama like bosomene nsumpa ho yentua ya 20th 22nd 23rd commercial bank be ko na su tina life was okay but me feel ho no afi me buy no me first time me feel Go-Face me call Pristia Mine Stars
hey I want to be a different
terrain cry also because spend a season ho I Satanum so o ma relegation sa season na tina o person o san return back Jomo infusing some few guys. Na Satan mi coach bin so no so oboase oka coach at the table no ya oboase coach. Your friend coach Yusuf coach come on oboase player bi anim no. Ono so developer develop young players. Ti ono na ono so recommend ma Mine Stars for no Satan na what say oboase me fi Go-Face. And I'm gonna make a say because I time from Go-Face now me san ba na Mine Stars at Tiaba first division. Nti na me person ka me san ko bo premier. But me take it challenge and say no. Say what me do almost so bad. And so be opportunity and I say no so be another name mama me. Until me accept challenge na me buy Pristia. Until me on me ball 1 season from Go-Face, you know. Your ball leg, you know, qualify call medal league. So season na Kesben at the buy and so medal league go for Ridia and Kesben they qualify ahead of us. The late coach Emmanuel Afrane and also me finance one on head coach I the call medal league, you know. Until from there no yentimi an qualify and a life in Pristia no so no that time no so na easy na me say no after a season na me share the way I never call ho na me say no me feel nti me feel ho no and me back ra nti one me guy I ne ni team na me once na me call Karela na Jeff Ofori na ono so wo team bi e wo Cantonments FC nti na danfo so ne nipa ne interlies for abrofo no o man Rabiu and Mr Dela nti o kan ma say me kire o mo say ho na me ne no friendship ne start here ebe we are like brothers nti ho no recommend me ma
Jeff Ofori yapo no
adam for Jeff Ofori no so what team CCF na Pedra Wolf FC nti on no
crow
Uptown Energy group no can ho be big ups boss wherever you are I love
Sweden base right
Sweden base yes I love you are doing well nti no ho na ono recommend me ma Mr. Rabiu ne Mr. Omar ne Mr. Delali no me owners of Interlice Football Club enti no kama sem chiro so ne bra bi or Pristia Mindstars no go face na wakọ but or down sisi anom so okay oma me bra training na me omo hwe me enti me ne ombe ye training omo ye training o Cantonments Prisons Park ho nti ona me meet omo na me ne omo training first day na na omo hu say me ye good nti now there was a tournament coming up and I say okay any omo mama Bobby this God so being good tournament, you know, so I was the first player I must scout to here. Scout no mufi Marisburg United or South Africa no by Ghana. Nti no mo peke me Emma actually cry no mo send omo ye bi document bibia I guess me court tries or Marisburg United. Omo gi visa bibia ma me. And immediately no me say nya offer. Omo no so omo ye business club. Omo say nya call from Ethiopia. So omo here a striker, attacking midfielder. And I'm in Crawford immediately almost change from smart start normal visa nyama me wi and almost change man be call Ethiopia. Nti for the first time you know I'm be two kwan better play you know was to Ethiopia.
Now no cash mun say no bibia okay ma.
Oh well now bibia okay so omo dey omo pick wa at least bibi be kakra be ba nti na bibia okay after go phase na me ska back kakra even though na that time you know your man ska na ska enye nne nti no after honomo no mama me be call Ethiopia St. George big club like House of Folk Okotoko in Ghana St. George's almost about 80,000 support
and all call St. George's no now crowd we hu omo Boase because somebody has be Boase and be commentary bi na ma for share no omu jai bo no
yes yam bobi no almost some be
but ball free kick be those days Charles Vades no na pim
Charles Vades mo make so that day you were there
in fact na me run commentary
for Meridian FM the then Meridian FM
asemi na waki
just starting that show enti no na me mati omonka as African Force St. George you can't mention African Giant obeyi omefim big club of Ethiopia ubi Ethiopia say na do Ghana e bokoto hasa omo wo followers no sa na ti was St. George omo St. George Coffee and also one club I say has kotoko omo no mo they be omo for the time enye St. George Coffee St. George of Ethiopia and beji nti no me ko so me ko two coach ye friend no Stredovic Micho coach Micho wa coach national teams be club Africa had here recently crimes and no coach Orlando Pirates nti ono na me ko to no ma me ko no nti no share me training omo my 2 weeks trials many one 3 players one Nigerian and one Ghanaian Yusuf Ali and also no many Boash Good or Boat of Lions kakra is also jai bobo enti no ye call ye no out of ye 3 no me no mo pick ye coach no pick ye enti no me so no omo tu no omo ye omo nyi sim na me very young then enti no me coach no free Interlice Crawford catch omo say Interfon catch omo say no this boy is a young player to play in Ethiopia. So coach nangasa ni omo kasa so betumi ayamama ko ni Chrome Serbia akoball no Europe me start you honoma I can easily break into the stream Europe ASP in Germany and all those. And you know immediately on me returning Ghana me kwa ba Ghana any jada tu no ho and on be facilitate me papers and me call Serbia. And from Ethiopia to Ghana to Belgrade.
Belgrade approach me.
Belgrade.
It's the first day of Belgrade. I mean, so with the African continent, so Eastern Europe, Belgrade, Santine. Now, what are you saying?
Kele, experience with it. If you have a case, that's I'll tell my children. And me nice so send my coach, so I'll tell my boys. And easy, Europe, Kele. It was via Milan. It was Accra, Milan, Belgrade.
Italy,
Italy, now Milan. I was in Milan for good 3 hours. Even though man got out, but I was in Milan. You know, Italian land. I mean, shopping. Italian for one airport, the biggest in Europe. Soon, hey, airport in here. Me share kutokana me de tunwa beye
na sa unso de den na o kan basasi o de kasa yenko
Milano Italian o Milano via Milan to Belgrade. After 3 hours back to our journey to Belgrade. Ti yelande no sata mo se
nkwa na akoy
me nkwa na me koy. There be sorry me ni Abraham Kudemo. And also no boss St. George ball Heart of Lions of course St. George Abraham Kudemo sisi akra mi say ball Bangladesh or baby wa bad down pu nti no mene no ene koy na ono so Partizan Belgrade epe team nti say on say Italians fund omo agency nti no omo so ma connected for Heart of Lions o ka me ho na mene na konti mene no ye fi Ghana e koy no ye na e koy in respective clubs me call Bora Chachak and also call Partizan Belgrade for trials omo my 2 weeks trials but I mean first day na training grounds na coach you know Goran Milovanovic coach out there call World Cup Milo
2010 World Cup
2010 World
no
me coach
Milovan Rajvac
me coach Milo pa me nim no pa onim me pesa oba Ghana me na sometimes say kasa na me kan baku bi
say e come
say bia who be as for the Staradish WhatsApp Kakosi how are you Dobru Jutro good morning Dobru Dan good afternoon Dobru Veche Kakosi omukasa na catastrophe ya bemuti pushi like omukasa no interested timi sua kakra
onti Milo ne fa
me nti me no ye adwuma 6 months then na me so any agency no Veto International issues the bro ho me dey minim pa 2010 World Cup about player selection ni we no issues by at the late Christopher Poku kra me ye interview bi sa issue no ebeba true to me issue no I attack me no me nyandu ho ya me du ho ya attack me nyina enti no ono na ye coach ewo team nim ansana onye opportunity aba Black Stars aba take over
enti then e see no because sabre no na doctor nyaho tamaklo ena ye Ghana anemu sini ewo Serbia Ghana ambassador to Serbia na issues ne ko sen ball mu no I mean 6 months team no na unya bi ball top flight na wo ball
na me top flight no me team no ye friend Borak Chachak yes city na Chachak no ena Borat na team no the whole inside broche there say community no team ni a on just Ghana bi obi o Accra or support has nkwa the whole community ye bo match ay Borat saneti na Borat no e support pa na me time no I was the only black player na me wo team nim ansana me unfortunate incident no racial abuse na be see ye I mama the feel say na work na doctor nyaho tamaklo na oye Ghana ambassador to Serbia very good man me meeting no onime o kaisa tam na onim who Solomon Poku is and he's one man de bia me hwe no metie no pa I respect him a lot be break so controversial but unim no ben na we say he's a very nice because myself no eto me no I have to move from my city to Belgrade and metena Ghana embassy for 1 week host to me because now if tension amount to our city one attacking me we no ye chi nkrofo na ye perpetrators na ye kombeso ekumi no ye chi ntina say I my life na I dangerous ewo hono ntina I have to move from my city Chachak to Belgrade nti host to me 1 week ewo Ghana embassy one me enjoy hono menya Ghana aduane benkune body ni na medina almost be 6 months ni na me hama na I want to warm that time the winter time
okay good na issue ni ede ankasa
kele issue ni de Serbia Eastern Europe send ya onimu na Russia Bulgaria Soviet Union for no they are well known of racial abuse among blacks you me issue no Ukrainian issue I was in the city for 6 months me were friends they be me who was I was the only black because me na me share black me cut town shopping center near there I see myself the only black maybe me teammates for no clan sometimes it be the make to me come on na villages na I say omo black e wo TV so but physically omo black say onie to me to me so me skin mu na omo mia say say na tin I'm just you na back just color no pe moja twa me a be ba red also be ba red ntina me mom ti access ntina I say me live good ho until that fortunate incident me nam ya bomb match wie a game a league game me call me fie me name 2 white friends and nam 3 me kan ho 3 ayeko nti ye wie fi stadium ho ye do city center ho no ma me say oh yeah first market na ma to bi kakra dia coffee until you see there was road you see city center kwan so I be kona na me hu say 4 guys bi gigigi won be rush me ah until me gina ye gina ye o ma ba me gina me so hey Staradish nista hey it's saying what's up wo kwan na me say oh yeah na satana fence me sua kasa na kaka ba na me ntesa ba omo kan na me ti ase until na ba ko ka je we say okay onu nie na de nya no na yakase yempe blacks now they all den wa until na me guys na me friends na me ni omo na no I was thinking say omo like ebe challenge omo gina ho e na omo hwe me ntino me hu ani say ba ko pia me akọ echi ntimi ko echi no ne opia me no me so me pia ni bi now I was like very skinny tiny way you there kwa e ka onu kwa there ka metu na tie gina not doing say omo ye group of people omo tete me fi park no so ntino ye pon ball no omo ma sa afọ no di kan buy and sana the rest no omo gina echi ahwe how am ne omo beye ntino me pushi baako na no na me hu say omo ba nti baako so butu me fe na mienu no gina ho I was expecting some boame
to teammate for
omo nye me teammate they
are your friends
my friends omo dey my stay in Serbia ni na no Ogi Boyan they were like omo see omo no they are white but omo come near black there are some white omo pe black so this guy took me as a brother me ni omo ye ko training match eduane whatever nti no mo dey me ni omo ye omo hwe match omo ya maba park ya pon omo ni me ye ko fie nti actually ko na me form fie ansa na makom fie ko na we living in the same compound omo ye fans but omo pema asem nti de bia me ni omo na epie ko out bibia nti e buy na I was like nti bibi say si no they were not omo gina ho din na omo hwe me na nkofo na attack me nti bibi mo say the way other group on e ba bibre no I have to run for my life honestly nti me ba ko do butu me na mo say omo ba na me say no how there me tena me ready me timi ko mu ta me kiki
sabia abrochi me na okay ready
kele
okay ready or sabia
ready me can ready jeme I thought that was my last day on this planet na bebrewe mu kitendua mo ba nti God been so good there was a war na me huri ni kele de bia me ka say nyame bi wo ho say wo mrenso ye me hu how I me ya me huri war no escape me life me huri war no pe no mo kai to mo so mo to mo ba no mo tra so me fo tatana me ko da nti me huri war na me hu police car na me gina police car ni ko mo de bomb mpo no mo si aden mo so sebia krobi mo ntebrofo omo kasa na sepski na sometimes na me tin deep sa nti no na me come over say some people they want to kill me no mo si where nti omo de me share police car no from police baby omo farm no to police station so na a city center nti na enwasa nti omo de me call hono omo call interrogate me about the incident me kan nti immediately hono abroche o na omar sin hono no si say ebeye ni as a black man as a nipa be bre ebe hia hono nti omo arrest nti me omo de me share police station hono ti me pipi siren omo ko arrest omo ti afa me hu an say omo arrest almost about 20 and I say 30 people about police station hono nti me hono bisa me say me wo team ben na me be kire omo me team mpenifo agent so de me baaye no Mr. Goran ono na de Milo baaye no o Veterans International some agency no ana Prince Tego mo nyina Osanda nti no sa no na omo bisa me na me so me agent na omo nim agent no kra no very famous Serbia sa city nim nti no omo ye no omo friend omo gere na omo friend say o client o player no bibi say na esi nti no ho no omo friend na no say okay oba no buy it or buy or not to brother Mr. Solomon what happened I'm so Mr. Goran after game I was going home with my friends and these guys met me on the road and they started attacking me nti hono na ono so be chichire ma chom no mu nti hono microphone ya chichire omo no for identification abrochi na just 4 guys now on be attacking me no fe omo ba me so first no omo komo a police no echi omo no eho God me so good there was one guy ni obutu me no yes you know at age 16 or so and oko committee oko twitwa obi nti ono criminal case e wo hodada nti omo nim so a violent person dada nti ono de omo hu na no mu say then it is true say something like that happened nti omo invite me 2 friends and also e ba ho and omo bisa omo say adenti na omo ne me nam na bibi say and omo say no if like omo support to me and they will kill them because there were many That was the reason.
And you know, almost then away because you are
black. Because me a black. And I be team now no Bora Chachaka no. There was one Zimbabwean guy, Tamawara. Also FACs are racial attack in the until now they were known for that. Even Prince Tego cry make can see me. Also be partisan. Also yeah attacking them maybe say what ya. Now attack us so hard. Now I say I wasn't the first player. Now I say omo need reason be just you won't go for say be house ah. Omo tribe no omo pe black. I don't know. They won't go for until later. Maybe say na me agent ni cheche me mono. Say those people no omo pe blacks. And that's very unfortunate. So that game so we lost 3-1 at home. Then I say I don't know. Said there was anger, nene, whatever. No, that game I was even on the bench as well. You know, I was surprised. Science and happened to me. Then I mean the motive behind sa attack don't be attacking.
Debut. What's the time I no more attack you now? What's the abrochi mema brofokra omo entin? Ujane na say yes.
Iradi. Na to the day.
I say me na ya ya three.
Kele, me say sometimes me kaya na me person me share tears because na nka ombe kume. Mbo ba ndua o.
Wo no ne wa.
Wo no wa, but I was able to escape. And I'm in Yamaho. Now is a metamon soon. Until from there, no, yeah, identify no. Until no, unim the police station. What I say police bar case. I say Ghana, but I say to do police case post case here. Until no, me share down back. Me want say, omo de me abeshe baby a. Omo name number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Until nipa ni gu I say compound until name 5 back bejina homa. I say mirror transparency. It was this person among them. I say no. Say, me who no. This first 4 now I was able to identify 2 or more. No. Until you call court, Serbia High Court. My name agent. No, as be issue. Until now, me court training. I be news or town. TV stations, Serbia, big TV stations, CNN, BBC. Even just last month, Ghana embassy man be was Serbia on our hostel. Mr. Isaac or friend say which Kaiser or sending me messages say I think say 10 years or so he go am incidents this see and you know or they send me say okay na me say okay you know e ba ne sa no na say say omo ya arrangement na say I tension on town BBC and interviews in the Ghana cry I say be viral TV3 friend me dango Peace FM dango kuye boa TV3 omo frɛ me ho ye me interview na me family so
on ka tell me me friend
on so crowd friend we fimpo
mo takra me friend
o takra do friend me kai sa che kele ache ntino na say ba na sa no tension aba me so e city ho no me bia me wo no nti Ghana embassy omo be friend say omo be bam Ghana embassy be mi omo ka ho na e call court no na eventually omo yes no 2 guys no they were jailed omo ya court am I jail nti na me kra no there was a compensation esen ka minya but up to date maintain ho hwe me agent no e bia me ka say odi my bro because amama enya hwe ya court no mo ka say minya almost about €1 million compensation for that assault no but maintain because yes no immediately Ghana embassy no and me agent no na me person me back Ghana I was telling them I want to go home because now my life now I in danger me nim ne besi because ya chi omo a group other microphone escape nti se me wo hono ma who knows say bia me so me pie go kromo metumi ekumi nti na se me ba Belgrade hono mo na afi omo ya arrangement ma me omo ya arrangement ma mba Ghana agent na ni me coach no awo St George no Micho oni me agent no ene interlies for no mo na no mo kita me omo kasa na omo ma me e call back to Ethiopia that was 2008 ni mo na me ni omo ko tu aso second round e wo Ethiopian league no I bought full season or second round about first round away na me call join you ball season unbeaten and the J leg you know ama me go cry na call best goal of the season Ethiopia hono
mini our bre
oh my bre kill
fast forward yeah one and I mean sisi ano oh yeah den
oh well senia onimu no sisi a ball na football no na me san wo
ugusu bobo
meka say sisi a de me mbo but just recently new administration use Ghana football for the past 3 years and there has been issues up and down anas be mu any translocation of the league in any way no na me for the past me more Ghana league I check my last league me boy no was Amedas Professionals I made the 2 kwan call Cyprus. And now I say I was eager to play in Ghana for at least a while, a season or 2. Afi me jai born ball. And you know, me decided say me back Ghana. My last club I me born was Nigeria, Abia Warriors, or Abia State. And me back down no. I me say me born na announce issue ne be buy. And me new opportunity and more. And me dey call Cote d'Ivoire. And I me say me back. And me buy no. Na me need Aduana Stars. You train me. I say me call back to Aduana because almost me informal team. And me new mo start training. I did more na.
You be a crowd and share on your former team, sir. I say why things so.
Omu nyina ebusuafo no. Ene nkola no omu nyina ho no mo.
Tinanka o ko die mu
me ko fie. E ho de fie ni fie. Fa say say the doma I am second home. Me fi mampon the next journey ne ye doma. Enti no e ba ne sa no. Na che say na me nso no me wo vision say dache. Me wo passion for coaching because me wo talent no football no and fans educational background also nya bad sir. Enti no me way too na me di boma I can be a good coach. Enti no me decided say me start coaching. Eni mu na me ne madam fu years also di e be form Apedwawo Football Club 2016 and me start wo as a coach. Jeffo team no Apedwawo Football Club. And I'm starting wo until 2016 na you start organize boys na and I had a team no. Nti mu na me ne omo training na ye bo me training omo me ne omo ye training na me training bi because na me who say I'm so fit I met me asan bobo no. Nti me mo register me e crash third in kan me ne omo bo third division league no. In a way no na me dey motivate you because me say wo show be to say Atram the wiser ni team no obobi at a point or register ne ho a do last 15-20 minutes no otun be Bobby e dey Gordon Atram
entina o here coach player
me a player coach in Europe see Lampard called Derby no boss and coach and some be any coach we share Rooney no boss coach na isi o ma be any coach the son and best sisi I be am o Karela no na me bo sisi am be coach.
I mean Karela a top flight team or boy a top flight league ibi now u jai born but ne say na Karela or your potential league winner almost sign
well de bia me ka say nipa ba kwa me de asida be man ye me career me coach Evans Adote I ne or ye Karela head coach now Sanso ye the immediate past assistant coach of the national under 20 team amukwa J African Championship na nsenyan wo Mauritania or ye me father way back in Obuase say na woni mo no nti no me ye say me jaibo ni bono me jaibo ni bono actually no me ye coaching me wa Apedwawo office ya no nti no me ba Accra enu pona me wodoma na me ba Accra na me ni be hia e wo nungwa mpona no on before the season commencement of 2021 season nti me ni hia na me se me kwa training kakra o beach on mo na me ni hia ho na me kwa me ni so wa ba Karela nti me ko share the whole team no so ma ba pre-season ho nti oni me hia na ko no say oh solo mete won catch you now when I'm see you coach me oh no see na see your team man I'm see you me ni team bi asisia na me wo small boys team bi I organize me ni omo me coach you say hey you person coach ni dey assess am no see okay but me who are you are so young betumi abo na na man na me boa me o Karela na ne we season na so betumi ba ku mi ni bi kra na o the coach na e den atuaso wo ho ntino me ni je you come say hey any sometimes we dream bibia to me bim because I dreamt it say me person be a coach one day.
Evans Adote kra say is or a FIFA instructor.
Si no or a FIFA instructor or Ghana Football Association.
Nti akosi say oko boy.
Nti the mu no na or the men ni dim komodie no mu no say okay and obi mama ba Karela abedwan ni o nti me no man shada nko justify say me ko justify ni afa me odni me dada nti o peke me straight na team no wode me dwane ene ye move ko enyina ase e hona na mo base nti e hona paperwork ne no agreement ne bibia no eko start ye o ma me 1 year contract in the contract no there was a clause say after the season or this particular season no o mo be boa me amama ye me coaching no because o mo vision bi say on person mo ya on build the academy youth side next season nti they will need more coaches in the club nti then ye me so no mo hwe me am very young am your knowledge no and I'm experience and also on the field no into any boa me na Miami coaching after the season no into first one no sure na me bo me ka team no ho a me bo as a player me opportunity e bo one game and can face ɛna
no scores yes
we need 2-0 we nyina se and from there no ɛna season no first round no ebe we and end no na team no policy say beginning of the season no omo blend youth no any experienced players no na Joshua first round no near yard pan near that top of the league near the wie but second round no sha near man sheda nko ye minim say be pick football there up and down nti no sha say the second round last no be crazy bisa say omo hu mi wo match day squad mu near na me catch am say o na me pese me ye no viral me pese me share me ye no coded na kakra na fi we season na fi career for nangasa be omo de ma aba out omo unveil me as a training coach asisi me capacity me wo ho no no me ho as a training coach and assistant team manager career 19 nice opportunity na me pen set to become a top coach no ma benya baby a good start mami because me will be to say coach Ivan Sadote or FIFA coaches instructor omo no mu coaches or no teacher omo chere coaches at the national team coach CK Akonomo Blasters me omo no mo chere omade
Zinate say wetwa fufuo ma na tonkwem e na osan ye o papa prekope
ntina je say no anu se na awo kana no betwa fufuo ma na tonkwem
kasa tintin wie ni mu biem solo poku medase say we nya time ni me di nkomo good luck enso wo new venture imu na enkwala no boy bi wo
boys 2
hey any that's still cash ni nam kan so
when they know
and I know omuni interest for football
ketwa ne dey interest better on me the net me papa better le do opoku on your interest me hu woni mu pa so be boba penini dey on dey fa ye fi your family so your intellectuals addition on dey so be doctor
dey be still on kakransa enei Doctor Kumalo no mama ye hu say utimi ye doctor bobo
of course utimi ye doctor bobo enti me ma ono no peni no focus on education side because they be me believe in education pa me believe in education ndiketua no ono na me pese me dey no do this year with this 7 years ti me hwe so hit 10 a me a career academy e ba be establish me dey no ba be rim now
winger na
left now who's the left natural left footed for no players so omo boye
now one so left
the me right footed player
yene cash aba solo me das
me das pa television CK me da wase
solo mo poku na eri di ko me di CK subscribe to television CK show no ye twa wo Danubian fashion top notch fashion center
ya grawo aya mini pia ya besiemwa nanu ya grawo ya mini pia ya besiemwa.
Exitech Building and Constructions. For your building construction and architecture designs, please contact Exitech Building and Constructions on 0243 987 117 or 0204 510 800 or send them an email to greymarking@gmail.com. Exitech Building and Constructions, your #1 construction firm.